Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to spice up your Google Sheets with some clean geometric shapes like squares, circles, or rectangles, you're in the right place. Maybe you want to highlight important data, make your spreadsheets more visually appealing, or just keep things organized with some colorful boxes. Well, today I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to add geometric shapes right into your Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to insert shapes easily, and you'll have some fun creative options to play around with in any of your spreadsheets. All right, let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure you've got your Google Sheet open and you're ready to go. The very first step is to move your mouse up to the top menu and click on Insert. This is where Google hides a lot of its extra features that aren't just about raw numbers or text. You'll see there's a bunch of different options, things like charts, images, and what we're looking for today, the drawing option, so go ahead and click on Drawing. This is going to pop up a brand new window, which is Google's little built-in drawing tool. Now within the drawing window, let's take a look toward the toolbar at the top. There's an icon that looks like a tiny circle and a square overlapping. That's the shape icon. Give that a click. Don't be shy clicking around here, by the way. When you open the shape menu, you'll see several categories, but for our purposes, stay with the very first section, which is simply called Shapes. Here is where you'll find all sorts of basic geometric options. You've got your classic rectangle, a sharp-edged square, a perfect circle, and even some other essentials like rounded rectangles, ovals, and more. It's almost like having a kid's toy toolbox at your fingertips. Let's say you want to create a rectangle for a header, or maybe a circle to call attention to a specific total in your data. Just select the shape you want, click it once, and then move your mouse over to the blank drawing area. Click and drag to draw your shape to the exact size you need. You'll notice that while you're dragging, you can adjust how wide or tall the shape is, so take your time to get it just right. And don't worry if you get it a little off on your first try. You can always resize or reposition the shape afterwards by clicking on it and dragging the blue handles. Once your shape looks good, you can also add some color or even a border if you want. There are fill-in-line tools in that same toolbar, letting you pick a background color or outline. It's kind of like coloring in a coloring book. After you've placed all your shapes and made any changes you need, it's time to wrap things up. Look toward the top right corner of the drawing tool and click Save and Close. It might take a moment, but don't worry, your drawing will now appear directly in your Google Sheet right on the page. You can click and drag it anywhere you like, just like you would with an image. And there you go. Now you can add a bit of visual flair to your spreadsheets and highlight the most important parts. If you ever want to edit the shape later, just click on it and select Edit from the little menu that pops up. Thanks so much for following along today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all or want to share some creative ways you're using shapes in Google Sheets, drop a comment below. I love hearing what you're working on. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tips and tutorials just like this one. See you in the next video.